Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
Try bringing that little heater in here tonight, plugging it in.
Hey, gang, Poppy here. As you can see, the light I'm recording by is this stuff coming in through the window. It's February 25th, 2023. And let me show you a little bit of the great blizzard of Northern California of 23.
And you can see our yard. Whoops. Sorry, cat. Gotta get in the chair.
You see all this white stuff on the ground and in the trees? That's what you call snow. I mean, I know in Alaska and Canada and Minneapolis, they say, that's not snow. Yeah, well, hey, I was born in Detroit. I got halfway through kindergarten in Royal Oak. If you live anywhere around Detroit, you know where Royal Oak is. 2 blocks from Star Elementary School. So if you know Royal Oak and Star Elementary School, went out the front door, turn left. Enter the block, walk 2 blocks, kitty corner across the intersection, I'm in the playground. Coming out the front door of the house, if we turned right, went to the end of the block, Mom and I walked about 40 minutes to an hour, and we were on Eaton Road in Berkeley. The reason I know it was Eaton Road in Berkeley is because that's where Auntie Ann and Uncle Bob lived. 1510 Eaton Road. They don't live there anymore, so, you know. But less than an hour's walk for a 2-year-old and mommy. So, not very far. And if you know anything about the Detroit area, you know where Royal Oak is, and you know where Berkeley. Yeah. One Christmas, Dad woke me up around midnight, or was it New Year's? One of them. I forget exactly which. I was freaked out. He wakes me up, scoops me up, goes out the kitchen door, and there's snow. He's pulled back one end of the cover on the pool. We had an in-ground pool. Dad and my uncles dug, did the cinder block work and all that, right? Anyway, he pulled back the cover. And he could put me in. No. I knew it was cold, right? I grew up in Michigan till the age of 5. I know when it's white outside, it's cold everywhere. Well, see, the pool is an in-ground pool, so it had, some little warmth coming up through the ground. And it was like 8 foot deep. So we were below the frost line, at least at the deep end. Okay. Now he put these cedar logs, the chain going through a bolt on, eye bolt on each side, on each end. So they wouldn't move around too much, but they could move around. This kept the ice from forming on the surface. Then the 2x4 frame and 3 layers of tarp. 3. It was actually warm in that water. I wouldn't do that to my kid. No. That's trauma. It's traumatizing. Started snowing about 5 o'clock last night. At 9:45, I took the pictures showing footprints and Christy holding our black cat Anthracite. Anthracite. If you know anything about industry, you know the anthracite is hard black coal, as opposed to bitumen and, not anthracite, like brown coal. Okay, I'm going to put them on here too. And there's some pictures I took just this morning, when I crawled up out of bed go fire up the camp stove so I could make a cup of coffee for myself. I took some pictures out the front window and out the front door. They'll be on right after Christy holding the cat. Oh, and PG&E. PG&E in their recording says, when it is safe, we will send our repair crews out. It's like people forgot how to drive in the snow. I mean, I can understand it here in Lake County.
You got an idiot across the street who's driving his bike in it.
Oh, yeah, guy across the street, he tried to get up the little hump here. We got a limited sight distance hump right in front of the house. 3 times he failed to get up.
He got stuck up there.
4 times he tried to drive his 4-wheel drive truck. He slide. He gave up driving the truck out. Guy do not know how to drive in snow. I mean, my mommy was a Toronto English girl. She knew how to drive in snow. And Dad, full-blooded French Canadian. Look at my last name. You pick up the residential phone book listings in Quebec. The Carons are that thick. There are a lot of my cousins up there. So, don't you be saying, I don't know nothing about no snow. I do. That's why we moved to California. And, you know, I only saw snow down in the Bay Area. We lived in Concord. Only saw snow in Concord 2, maybe 3 times. You know, the usual, you wake up and there's 6 inches of snow in the backyard. Hey, girl, you go and play. Right? And one day it was March, or was it April? I was downtown Concord going to check on some business. And cloud moves in and boom, 1 inch of snow in 10 minutes. 20 minutes later, it's all gone, just wet. Anyway, this has been my report on the Great California Blizzard of 23. Good night from California.